Since ancient times, essential oils have been utilized in aromatherapy, massages, and medicine. The liquid that is collected from flowers, plants, seeds, trees, and roots is thought to be useful. These oils are considerably more concentrated than the actual plant or flower. Today essential oils are recommended for a variety of treatments. Dr. Terry Friedmann is said to have utilized essential oils to restore his vision and eliminate his need for corrective glasses. Sandalwood and juniper essential oils were to be applied to the cheeks, above the eyebrow, and around the eyes as part of the treatment. Although he claims to have taken vitamins, he is adamant that the essential oils were the cause of the positive vision change. A number of different oils can be quite advantageous for your vision. Consider the following. Here are the best essential oils for vision. 1. Helichrysum oil. Acts as an antioxidant to help prevent and treat hazy vision. It fights macular degeneration and can improve nerve tissue. 2. Sage oil. This oil is often used to relieve tiredness and strain in the eyes. It can also improve vision. 3. Cypress oil. It can help treat macular degeneration. It can increase blood flow to the eyes. 4. Lavender oil. Like helichrysum oil, it can help with dry eyes, speed up cell recovery, and help clear up blurry vision. 5. Peppermint oil. It oxygenates the eyes. It contains beneficial nutrients such as vitamins A and C. 6. Lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is known to increase blood flow and dilate blood vessels. This may help the eye tissue get more oxygen and stay healthy. Make sure to buy therapeutic-grade oils. It is advised to mix the essential oil with another carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Most importantly, avoid putting oils directly in your eyes. These oils should only be applied around the eyes or above the eyebrows. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.